Look, the MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Usu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just Sankwas compared to those. I call them the Sankwas 5. If President Mahama should decide to contest, this is how the scale will be. All the Sankwas 5, Dr. Bawumia, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Dr. Bryan Agyapong, Edichum, Honorable Kwabena Agyarko, all 5 of them should not even go and choose one. It should be all 5 of them on one ballot paper against President Mahama. And this is how the scale will be. All of them there, and then Mahama here.
When you want for when you may be a trim, then a new yamnesa, Ghana for respect is someone pa. And you know, the down company could follow soon and Nimunyam part of the Nimunyam. The day of indoors, a Bawumia.
And no losing any more.
And that time no few ban or losing any Munyam, that day no losing. And on one or more woman 100%, the dwelling in was a baby, or Mampany and Sabi was a Benyado, as we him do can win him do open. And when him baby free buy, Osha Mamu, Baby blooded the 2, or Mampany that died, J. Johnny, baby, Kunyam Fanny Crency, what is the 2 1 and for healing no. What must say? O mampani your mama ebe man who say one baby na and when you to my years are ning na chino wo bu abros but o indoors we pet Bawumia pet the conference and buy
endorse Bawumia.
I'm telling you the whole wedding you know no papa no you will be your kind of credit what must say
okay
and ne sasima babeka we no anya bia wo be can this time for what when you nyam kakra kan no kofo be say hwe ni ato agu kakra kan kofo be hwe agu because I'm for power with your commentary for put your deserves as Omaka. And now you have a coalition. People now windows one of the best person of which my corner. Well, yeah, it is out of now when say a Ghana Sika Samia Dadena. Not say it took indoors on to another down on 2 windows one of the best person which my money Ghana. Now person say. It took a pop and now kind of crown answer now kind of crack. It was company who for the means that day you will be a made fear near that in those the NPP. They told me the team the fear near the 1 year.
Okay.
If you and I mean just I mean put me in put permission in book. From also a penny more on kind of credit. Akufo Addo
can Chinese on kind of
15 and yanka. They say there's a catch penny for. I don't know how much for call when the papa be been in port because the papa shut up. What we are doing is not good. But the new look at papa say shut up and no just look at him fee. What must say? I don't know how many go do pepper. You mean one man penny for a yatum. One man penny for your penny be as a yado. That's all quite you do be young. What must say? Once I can Agyapong. Yet you charge you know and you a corruption. Be there can Agyapong won't be when you be there normal. When you be there yet. I said the just only moon and your man penny for the say no. One man penny to my busa. What if she say what me say any congratulations message ana. We know the moon checking. When you are mamma abonti and can be a wonder. And net for us a mamma ko ye or no better bata. Ye young bata you. I didn't ye bunny to 2 years. Would the ababe who ye any one will be ye and I did now support him baby and never. What must say? One kind of credit Akufo Addo memo bonny penny more now to feed then I'll pescade and near my crowd I could my way to be. What must say? A baby on Pobat Runimu comfort wouldn't be numbi. Yeah, I didn't pass the crowd to be coho. When you mean I of do pescade day. Yeah, I'm going to come cram my yachting now that papa you cannot credit. And not the company JJ, but you'll be a metal chamano. If you were the NDC, at time, what can I get and your name for ye? We are ex-president, your party, but we are singing in the opposite Ghana and Koye. Okay, Akufo Addo be beyond your call, Mampanico for no support. What support to my Ghana, Jay will say, I'm a BBR say, and now Baby Ground say, no more consult. You're not a Canadian and show. A 2 fear, who don't think that. It's never was go back. Satan, that's a bob on tea, simple. Satan said, just for all the time. Went down to a new to a da, and over the car when you use on a one per baby now. We are hypocrite.
But Kojo, say, I say, obeyful. Obeyful, say, we see an answer, they go back, Uba, Sama, 1 year. I say, Otono, Anna.
Baby, when you're about to wear, do one more, you have money pay women of Juniper, to my phone. They were part in the Ghana for the fast. Now can we a papa anymore? Would have Muslims know that you pay enough than one? What was it? And now we can't wear my beer when near my ex-president. I remember in Bakubi and every Friday, you were near man near the common. Who come when they said you said Yado, or Mampani John Damani Mama, if you had ever so not card or near my bedroom fee, if you are Casana. I don't see the opening point. I said, Diana, oh, I'm a more baby, and again, Kufa baby, or support you, and we, and or Bawumia or Mampani, said you said Yado, what do yet we found out some reach him, never got platform so. Now we can say more him, and some way him you can say Ghana for and a Sabia Musabi Yado, one more room when him back from one room possible, and then come with you watch here, and then you can case they can, and you put about Bonia President Bonnie and your ministers Bonia man can look as a life to be in the
Vice President.
Now, Vice President can let your program 18 security quanka Jabu and lay a tutu Niama and the security, maybe other say from Woody Bonnet, Okasam Nenes and ya a minute or 12 or 24 hours, but the other day you will know what must say, and never be a beer, be free, will be out on Kekotua Bama Binapo, and from any woman Kakaka, then was sent near Mapoto, way, Neko Vice President, and to Trevor and quoting the above my way. And to Yakopona boy, the windows here, Nangano, could be actually, Yana Nava Catcher say, no, or Manco, or one and consult, William Young consult, Satama Okofo. Platform no every other consult so I don't want to just make I'm more born near Mubu Yentino make me Kokodi Machinha campaign me share make Koka it more connect animal what the way you don't want to see Anya the papa Kojo Kyeremanteng chantro I'm a brand new the whole Ghana I caught my come more than five times yeah campaign every radio station TV station because of my panic for yeah making sure that someone now can you make diffusion can Kakonya President Bonnie and Vice President Bonnie Ebenya Pontis are Bonnie I'm can now more via Ghana Ghana Sikana Beba the Yano and one edit to Ghana the Owa a car ya be a teso what must say a car ya be a tesubi I'm a BB to you and measure MDs and your money already Kramuso old cars wouldn't say by old cars no be other to use to so near the power better cars. Be quiet, equal position. Your mom cars, I'm not from, at the same time for me. Akufo Addo by less than 1 month, 2 months. We are top brand new car, will be a more commercial from West and Miss. I'm going to buy the every year with the coffee. We are not be something you are not to buy. Your money can be a Simwana. Car money be a condition penny. So number no. A bin and form to say the number from a mammo papa Mugri Ghana for Unti and a Masadi will also. It's your Mampanico, can you get ye Yana some great being.
Lastly, no, does Nyoka, does it mean say Nipa Benuma or more pressure or Babe flag bearer, my NPP? Does it mean say only Jetty Wom or Nipa 5 name? Oh, no, only because there's some cost for yeah, and I can find some big but what must say, and Yaman can he been a car. Nipa 5 or more queen. Would they check Nipa 5 no? Bawumia, but be a Net2 ye beer and what may sell here. Kennedy Agyapong, and you will be a bit with the president of my way, Mamma. Mamma, I got to have a man. Now, wow, the Kennedy Agyapong crack or Jibusia on Sabacana. What must say? Mamma, I will be our no, a Ghana. Bear my timid or bar city at Tema Bonte, Sabah man in your Burma. Bear man, I know what a Ghana suffer for you, do a matem, and my bringing out, oh, be at the one I got to have a man. Did you bet the the Casa Crampon and me and as the president. We are not Kofa, I want to do. Now, do you a man education? And education, I found a normal to near my your man education, even called Crampono, one in the secretary Pono, a Piab on nothing or motor. We have it. Our money of our government, we are not one of them like a Bobby, or Boakye Agyarko. One for us, Ghana, one for the kind of say, the president. Then talk to you under the Kwabena Agyapong, you'll be a NPP mu Akufo Addo timi dia samoto moso e pamomo won ko fo no bi di kodi court sabra na be witness keke bra court wan court order wan kompo da no Kwabena no ayi kotoku sa abobe say ya no ni afokomu abrabo ndie na wo timi kan dokre asoma de to so timi yi wa no
Yes, some more kokoje cars near that opposition for one year that is point when you are not there, got to Abama. You really got to Abama will be also Bryan Champo. So, yeah, I put on the baby and one for fear and Ghana can get new hotel, Quagini in Alpha. Yeah, they are great ministry man, and the amount of fertilizer and tongue of a toy, of a toy. I'm telling you, and she shall bomb your man, may not to be quite I also was so Bryan Champo, the dear name. I didn't conform to what someone tell you no money any security for. So okay, yeah, me come on, never know. Say nipa be mo share the dem with them. The dem with them. What we get say? Say we nipa 5 yi. One ni betima 2 abama so ba be Ghana. The Bryan Champo ba say nipa ni ebo mbewu. One ni betima ye. And obi am pon qualify no obi am deserve to become president of Ghana. Who dey we are not checking conform to mo pen this dem. Me nipa ba ko me no am so mo pe. Yeah, bobo. What man say? And na me no cause a Greek minister but say so onya obekobi. And we atesem. Yeah. We are by the ayi chief of staff matesem so on so nya obekobi. Atesem. Ti say we dey ma fa nipa mienu pe do magu isemi ani. We are akofa 5 no. Now they are to talk so wow share I old ghetto brass away. We compare this machine to a day. Yo, everybody. Me ask Kojo ye bwana monte de kana.
Who say Ghana for bebre ka wonsem. But to me, I think say it's one of the weakest interviews what granted in your career as a politician. You didn't really say anything new. And in that process of you trying to maybe throw Akufo Addo under the bus because maybe you feel say o legacy no ya papa Akufo no right now NPP for kind of side because do don't free few a party no you want to find a way to throw Akufo Addo under the bus to make your name come up to say because like you said obi any NPP mo betumaya campaign without your legacy. Akufo Addo has no legacy. It's you know who say somebody will be crazy to even campaign without mentioning you. Whatever you left behind, because Akufo Addo is not intelligent enough to receive any kind of credit. And we all know, say, Akufo Addo so I campaign. The only thing I can say, you expect to say, Obi or person be the NPP Nimbiano also use wo or recorder Sebio Papa Manusi Suminaso. And one shadante as a president in a campaign. Now, and then I catch them team and they say, your interview with bloggers, it wasn't anything extraordinary. There was nothing special about it. You were basically speaking to NPP delegates. You were basically telling them, say, even though Bawumia is a loser, is a liar, they should go out in their numbers to continue the criminality of Akufo Addo and the NPP. That is all. You were just charging the base in their head, no. You were just directing them to go and vote for Kufo. That was why you were talking to a blogger. At this point, I expect you to be granting interviews to multi-million-dollar media houses with intelligent, with all due respect. I don't have any problem with the people who interviewed you. I don't know them. I don't have an issue with them. But this is my opinion. I expect say Kufo say Okasa, Ebia the BBC had talk. ABR, CNN, MSNBC, Al Jazeera, like, you know, quality interviews, questions, fact-based questions, fact-based follow-ups, you know, intellectual questioning. But I feel say, well, lower standard now to the point to say, and it'll be out to Mbowrim. And I understand because the NPP based and as a delegate, you know, say, majority of them, no, bloggers no mutie. They are not intelligent to that point where they will understand real issues and real analysis. That is why you feel, say, when you go this route, you go the weak route, the what we call a social media sensationalism route. Now, it might give you some, they might give you some attention. That is why I'm saying, say, I have no problems with the people who grant you interviews all over the place. But I believe, say, you have, some of the platforms you grant interviews, you know, you can see, say, blog gets, you know what I mean? You're up there. And I was telling my team, say, there was nothing exceptional about what you did, the interview you granted. We have always known you and what you believe and stand for. You have always stood behind what we call lies. And the reason why I'm saying this is simple. Papa, on your birthday, I want to make it easy. Otchere in your bloggers interview said, I was not consulted on National Cathedral project. Kofor reveals. This is no news. And why are you saying this now? It is looking like, say, Papa, every time we try asemu see, nipa bi di abone try a tro. Omo wie na omo say ye wie no, then you step in like, oh, openyina otifie mayaka nankarefo. Wan kasa ye beka se nanka no uwibi. And this interview you granted me huniti ehuni because we have always known to say you have not been honest with Ghanaians when it comes to national issues. You have departed from patriotism. And that is the problem people like us we have with you. You have departed from patriotism. You are still not allowing the party in you to take over, to understand the say, you are a statesman, and it is not about the NPP. It is about Ghana and how we can, at the end of the day, have this kind of progress, this kind of development, devoid of who is from here or who is coming from here. But it looks like you are still struggling to move away from your party. You have detached yourself from patriotism. Your statesmanship has been taken away because you have allowed your partisan side, to overshadow your patriotic side. And recently when you grant interviews, it sounds like broken record. Mr. Ex-President, if you were not consulted on National Cathedral, do you think I care? Do you think any Ghanaian cares? Because if you were even consulted, and because you want to protect your party and the people who you know are doing the wrong thing, you wouldn't have come out to tell us to say you don't agree and that they should stop. You wouldn't have done it. And you not being consulted does not change the narrative here that if you had even been consulted, Anka still they would have done what they did. The reason I make Ghana for say, yeah, Paco for interview grantee, and it's all about America. You see George Bush, who is a former president, or Republican, a grantee interview. Do you think the Republican Party cares? No. Party, maybe I say do as Republican Party, they would not care about George Bush. The NPP now say to the point where it is not granting interview to bloggers or indirectly trying to reach out to the base Hopeson Adorye to change the destiny of the party. No. I am being respectful here because I respect Akufo very well. Into these things, Papa, you cannot isolate anybody from these things. In 2020, on Mountain Stage Catcher say, upon the killings, every single thing we had seen, the high number of people who were unemployed, the deliberate disrespect for the rule of law, the corruption. You saw all these things. You still came out to tell us to vote for Akufo Addo. You had seen also West Wagon. You had seen Ejapade. You had seen PDS. You had seen all the things that were never reasonable for anybody to even for one say, hey, you saw all these things. You never commented. You still came out final day of election to tell us you should all go and vote for Akufo Addo to continue. That's why I'm saying that you have allowed your partisanship to overshadow or cloud and yet your patriotism. It has taken over it. So right now, you are struggling to get out of it, and you are struggling because Wakuma when you're ready to be patriotic. So these interviews with these bloggers to please NPP delegate base for them to line up to go and continue Akufo Addo's legacy. Because you told us in 2020, say Mahamadu Bawumia and Akufo Addo, all that they have done, you still want us to continue, so we should go out and vote for them. That is what you told us. You did not care about the economy, jobs that were being destroyed, the corruption, the nepotism, the disrespect for the rule of law, how they were. You did not care about any of these things. All that you did was you did party job. This is not new. There's nothing exceptional about what you just said yesterday. I don't think anybody in Ghana is shocked. I don't think Ghana Nibia sorry say, hey, Kofo say. Nobody should be shocked. And I don't think anyone is shocked because you have shown us from Tetinyina Besia. Nana Kweku Addo told us he wanted to hand over to Bawumia. Anamebwa, you were there. You said yes. You knew what Akufo Addo had done. You knew what Bawumia had supported. You still went ahead and said we should vote for the NPP. Team, give me video. Team, give me video and let me show to your papa. Nobody is surprised. Then, so when I see people making noise, Akufo Addo say, no, this is normal. This is normal level. Bibian's sign. It is still the same Akufo we know. The same Akufo who pretends he loves Ghana, but he doesn't. The same Akufo who always chooses his party over citizenry, omo plight. That has been you. And I was expecting you to say, the last 8 years, I bet you less him. You can say, no, enough is enough. You need a party. At this point today, let us put Ghana before. But you never did. Nana Addo Akufo Addo stood before Ghanaians in 2024. After people were shot in 2020 elections. After PDS. After Ejapadiye. After galamsey swallowing your own hometown in the Ashanti region. After the disrespect to the rule of law. After our judiciary at the end of the day was broken into pieces. After you saw how pensioners as you yourself were dying because DDEP took their money, Ejio Musika. After you saw all these things, you still follow the Akufo Addo to tell us, say, he's going to hand over to Mahamadu Bawumia, and you endorsed and said yes.
So be Ghana how to be a D Sankophobia no one dance here. I am men another than Kweku Addo. Now me say Ghana for so when it's here masam. When it's here masam. Now to me now you have a prayer 7th December no. Then former Mahamadu Bawumia and Matthew Poku Prempe. One and a bit to me a trade man. And this is paying for no. Say, Yantiasia. Say, me say, need to be Jamachi, Emma. Now, go for one Jimmy watching here, be a mayor, but we had my child. Only Babby 2 were Kunano, I think I may have been for you have a Kunano, Ambassador, Ambassador. Wait. The next president of the Republic of Ghana.
That's what we witnessed. Send out to a catcher say Akufo Addo. Some people in NPP wanted to see my back when I had 39 in the 1996 elections. What are you trying to say? In 1996, when you had 39%, Bawumia 38, I am Bawumia. Papa, yes, sir. What you are doing is not statesmanship. What you are doing is not patriotism. What you are doing, you are stabbing the nation in the back. You are choosing party politics. You are choosing a party that has stabbed this nation in the back over the nation that made you who you are. In 1996, now VW, Tafreka. When you got power in 8 years, you were one of the richest people in Ghana. It means we made you who you are. So please, sometimes let's put the party politics aside. So when you're 39 in 1996, Enti Bawumia 38, and that message Ghanaians sent in 2024 December, they sent it to you. They sent it to Bawumia. They sent it to Agove. They were telling them, say, we are not stupid, but still, you still see us to be stupid. The 38% of Bawumia, that message was to you, that do not ever again try and give us people who don't have our interest at heart. That was the message. The young people who went out there in the 16 regions to vote against the NPP for Bawumia to get 38%, they were telling you that don't do that again. You found yourself with criminals. You endorse criminals. Let's say 2020 was an oversight. 2024, we cannot forgive. You are still doing it. It means you still don't care. Today is your birthday. Now the question I want to ask you, Papa, Kofo, is Adeintina Nana Kweku Addo has not availed himself se Obiambe interview no. Yet per the immediate president Wifri Abaimu. Yet per Obia or what the right to speak on governance today in Ghana is Akufo Addo. Yeah, Papa. Why do you think Akufo Addo na unini mi edugina stage? Akufo Addo na unim di oye ye nyina eku Ghana for still you went ahead to say we should vote for him 2020. Now the same Akufo Addo na after 2020 osako so more mayhem. Udi de say na Bediatuo na wa supporting no amana say Ghana eku nipa no they should still vote for Bediatuo to continue Akufo Addo's legacy no. Why do you think Akufo Addo has not come out boldly to say I am campaigning for Bawumia? Papa, mama woma nipa bi enkwara bi emeyen twetwe. You are above bloggers interview. You are above partisan politics. Mema nkwara twetwe. Mema bloggers so light in see so entry to say there woye obi to say Bulgaria. Mema bloggers enya konwa bia na papa wotena so. Enya konwa bia na etena so. You cannot share in Konya with anything, anybody. No. That is why some shows, some programs, Oba Brucha, 90 minutes, and you'll be in that seat. Do not just avail yourself. The question is, are they in Akufo Addo or no jai abainim? Edema John Mahamman, are they not only the right person to mount any stage and say, when am I Bediatuo? This Bawumia is my immediate deputy. Why is he not taking charge to prove to Ghana for say Ejuma or Ejuma when a chess also? Why hasn't he availed himself for people to question him about the credibility of his deputy Bawumia? Why do you think Akufo Addo hasn't done that? Adentina bloggers nenta Mike Enkono. Why has he blocked everyone from coming? Why are you allowing yourselves for these people to use you? You have gotten to that age where a majority of us here in Druho, but don't allow yourself. Everyday party. They be now the Ghana is chain. Now the party say chrono. You are endorsing criminality. You are endorsing murder. You are endorsing corruption. You are endorsing people stealing from us. Again, you know all these things. Why? Because of politics? So now don't Kweku for the mountain stage and your campaign about Bawumia. Nobody should do that. Anybody who goes out there to say me a party penini, I am campaigning for Bawumia, no, that Akufo Addo, with all due respect, sees you as a fool. You know why? Because Obia or employ Bawumia Akufo Addo. Now, if the Akufo Addo now or high Bawumia no cannot stand in public and say, "When me doba into Muntumana," why are you the one doing it? No, it's not supposed to be like that. And you are somebody I revere and respect a lot. And I don't expect you to allow anybody. And Akufo Kasa, and Akufo has said a lot about Akufo Addo. And who in Akufo Addo, who in NPP can campaign on Akufo Addo's record? Nobody. Even Bawumia himself, he's running from Akufo Addo's record. Why should we be in 2025? And Kufo, who became president in 1990, and the record that campaign was so. Why? It means Akufo Addo is a Bangladesh. He's a dirty Bangladesh. It means there's no legacy. So your legacy now, Ujaya, protect it by staying away from these kind of basic street interviews. Nana do Akufo Addo ono ne hire Bawumia. And he said, obi person who say Bawumia ni credibility a. Ade na nipa na o hire no a. Oso abamana ni papa na. Why is the person because uko di software krada o hye software bi ase a. The day a sebio ye de wo church no. O software na wo share das no ono na de wo kire. So when you are so because no ko preach ya, sa wo suffer na so won sade ko say we de na o hyamase me na metete no. Identity Akufo Addo ntumi nye for a whole year. Akufo Addo has not been able to grant interview to speak about Bawumia's credentials and competence. Why do you think he can't do it? He can't do it because he knows deep down that Bawumia is like him. He knows deep down that Bawumia is like him. He knows that the NPP na say, and you papa for you know. We all know say NPP na say it's not a party sebio obi odogana pabeka say monko to abama ya papa for into who your campaign say yen to abama Bawumia na whoever no. The question here is yen to abama Bawumia na ombe yiche ma untumi galamsey asase a wase nyina organ ombe yinu man nko tenefia na. Now what's the end game? Say boni omudi ye nyina ye pe kwan bi so atwe omaso no sa boni no omombra no mekata so. Is that what you stand for now? Now if you believe say we as a nation we need to make sure those for the past years and the years before almost say Ghana no or say atwe omaso then without due respect you are not even supposed to tell anybody say anyone should vote for the NPP or any candidate. You are not even supposed to today be telling Ghana for say oh Bawumia can no you are not you are supposed to stay away. So what are you telling us? Your party ni entuma party no party na ekunye no party na say man no. Yeah papa, I respect you, I revere you. Nanado danko Akufo Addo only intentions bia of leaving Ghana politics. He still believes say or control NPP or control Ghana. He still wants to grip Ghana again. Nanado danko Akufo Addo also on Ghana, he's still in his head. Or Jane say he can still control Ghana. And it's not only the bushia for no. Nana Akufo Addo cannot avail himself for interview. O Sose busa say Aden on kase Ken Ofori Atta mbrefi. O Sose baka say Aden o yewe. Aden o say ontumi mye interview for 1 year. So why should I trust his deputy? John Mahama left office. Every single day he was granting interviews. Every day. Nanado danko Akufo Addo 1 year on granting interview bi abusa won say adentra because oye kromfo. Because he thinks say the more he hides, the more he does not speak, we will forget about the nonsense on the Bawumia, Kennedy, Bryan Agyapong, and Ken Ofori Atta. And he thinks the more he hides, the more he does not speak. So his advisors are telling him that I don't make a statement, don't even speak, and that they will forget. We are not stupid. We are not going to forget the damage Akufo Addo, Bawumia, Kennedy, Bryan Agyapong, country they have done to this country. How can we just forget? We can't forget. Intia Papa, today is your birthday. I wish you well, but with all due respect, stay away from these things. And wow, it will not help your legacy. And you know, I know you want to protect your legacy. I know you have, I know you are hurt that sa legacy na uja ohono Akufo Addo aseno, and you are trying. We will decide. We would decide. So our legacy is intact and I say intact. Don't force it. Don't force us to accept your legacy. We are growing. We have seen governance. We have seen regimes. Allow us. Upon all the things you saw, upon all the things you witnessed as a Ghanaian, as a former president, things you yourself you will not do. You endorsed it. Say Bawumia after people were killed, after women and children were murdered, after people at your age group people, DDEP, your job seeker from Semomuko, after we saw highest level of corruption in the history of the Republic of Ghana, after people in our country were running away because we had the president who did not care, use the state security to go after women. We saw military men wearing military uniform, police uniforms, shooting at civilians. Ejapadia, You saw people, a group of people wanting to sell for a special prosecutor to tell us that Akufo Addo is the matter support of corruption. You saw, you read, you understand. After all these things, you told us to go and vote for Bawumia.
I have always seen him as a man of destiny. When I first saw him, and that was about 2002, he was just a research assistant to the governor of the central bank, and in faraway London. This young man delivered a paper at an international conference of giants from the city of London, the financial world, and some very powerful people of government. And immediately he finished his address, he was going to sit down, but there was something in his statement and about him. I was president of Ghana then. In fact, till then I hadn't even spoken with him ever before. But I sent somebody, I think one of the officers with me, go and call me that young man. He came, I congratulated him.
Sammy, Bawumia, Akufo Addo was a man of the moment. A man of destiny. Many cancer. One chance and one chance as a politician. Central Bank of Ghana. So at time they call meeting be in London.
Okay.
As president, with the Bank of Ghana governor come home, they meet international conference.
Okay.
Bankers, politicians, but for I could in your coins on my charge no paper be no paper can you sometimes yeah politics no research assistant to the governor of the Bank of Ghana on finance and economy.
Okay.
Or Kasai Nadia Okaino. I saw him way 2003 Nanya.
Wow.
Na told me Namin Kasai.
Unimno.
Of course, in the India, Bawumia the papa old politician the Kwame Nkrumah Buziano unti politics were brown Bawumia. But on Akodan I could have it was now a conference cases and on Akodan. Or Casanti or Quatans and I'm saying Akodan or by the man of Musa, the Anwakam. So a task no so any. On costing an edge na or that bank bank a mortgage man acquire conference. And or that's it. There will be a conference no 2003. So back at time na buying Hipic.
Sure.
The Ghana call Hipic. Ya pentama you Ghana free. Sa Hipic no bank IMF Ghana for.
Yes.
Na that me as a man to honor the research assistant for the governor of the central bank. By bank governor Dr. Paul and then Yajuma. And Pastor Ghana free Hipic in record time. And Crawford can say IMF 17
times.
Munchiremu say Kufo Hipic no bana Hipic no.
Okay.
Ghana was insolvent.
These things, Papa. When he said Bawumia was a man of destiny, it was not about Bawumia, you meeting him in the UK. Now we catch us here and talk about Bawumia. Everybody is a man of destiny. Every single day, the day you are born, the struggles you go through to get to where you are a man of destiny. Mama, you made that statement, and people said you were doing politics here and talk about Bawumia. Every single single soul on this planet is a man of destiny. Oh, your ba, oh, your bemo, the day you are born. The struggles you go through. Some people, they go through physical struggles. Some people go through educational struggles, emotional struggles, spiritual struggles. So you get to that point, you are a person of destiny. Do not cover things up and make it look like, say, Sebio, you are telling us to go and vote for this guy who is a liar. You yourself, you are a man of destiny. Did anybody think, say, you will lead the NPP? The time you were contesting to be the flag bearer of NPP, there were so many people in the NPP who were smarter than you. Education-wise, they were better than you. Why did they choose you? Because it was you, your determination, and you wanting to be the flag bearer of the NPP. You came the first time and you win. So don't do these things. Munjai Sakasano. You are giving us bad product. You are selling a product that is a lying product. Mahamadu Bawumia is fake. You know it. Nasenka, Sebio, Akufo, let me ask you this. Team, if, per the explanation you are giving us, if we have to go by it, Bawumia being a man of destiny, in 2016, at the end of the day, he got to the door of his destiny, and that door opened for him to become the vice president of the Republic of Ghana. With all the experience from you, from what you are telling us, the first time he gave you a speech, Akwada, and being the research assistant at the Bank of Ghana, I think he said, for being a running mate for Akufo Addo for 8 years, at least in 2017, his destiny doors opened for him. Now, when the destiny doors opened, how did he fare? Again, Bawumia year after the destiny doors in 2017 was opened. If it's a man of destiny, we are all looking for that door that will open, that destiny door. In 2017, after 8 years of being Akufo Addo's running mate, the destiny doors open. Was he able to put all those research to use? How did it benefit us? He became the head of the economic management team. Mahamadu Bawumia, upon all his research, the dollar ended up at 17. Upon all his research, there was an FX committee that was supposed to come and find a way to stop the dollar from going to 17. Upon all his research, Ghana could not, at the end of the day, our GDP, our debt could not drop. Upon all his destiny, that he was supposed to prove to us that he's a man of destiny, Mahamadu Bawumia, employment rate could not drop. Mahamadu Bawumia could not live up to expectations. So what is this man of destiny? Bawumia got the opportunity, knocked at the door of destiny. The door of destiny opened for Bawumia, and Bawumia took a shit inside the room. So there's no excuse. Nobody in Ghana can sit and tell us, say, there's an excuse. Bawumia got the opportunity. He is the first person in Ghana to be running mate in opposition for 8 years, to be vice president for 8 years, 16 years. He's still taking a shit in that destiny room. So what is this man of destiny? Man of destiny was given every opportunity to turn the fortunes of this nation around. When Bawumia became the first vice president in the NPP, in the second term of NPP, third term, Mahamadu Bawumia inherited a dollar that was at 3.4. Yeah, Papa, we are not kids here. Yeah, and nobody can convince us with English language. No, because Sebio, yeah, Akufo ya wo na Asante na wo, and I'm so fantinia woni na wo me. But at least we understand the language. The man of destiny at the end of the day is somebody who was a liar and is still a liar.
Look, the MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Usu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity, are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just Sankwas compared to those. I call them the Sankwas 5. If President Mahama should decide to contest, this is how the scale will be. All the Sankwas 5, Dr. Bawumia, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Dr. Bryan Agyapong, Educhum, Honorable Kwabena Agyapong, all 5 of them should not even go and choose one. It should be all 5 of them on one ballot paper against President Mahama. And this is how the scale will be. All of them there, and then Mahama here.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.